Apple might be on the verge of reviving one of its most powerful and controversial desktops, the iMac Pro. And this time the evidence doesn't come from vague supply chain whispers, but from leaked internal software used by Apple's own engineers. Hidden inside kernel debug kit files are references to an unreleased iMac powered by the upcoming M5 Max chip, reigniting years of speculation about a high-end, professional all-in-one Mac. Alongside this discovery, the same leak reveals Apple's broader Apple Silicon roadmap, including future MacBooks, Mac Studios, and even a mysterious low-cost MacBook. In this video, we'll decode the leak, explain why it matters, and predict what Apple's next generation of Macs could look like. Apple is developing a high-end iMac that appears to be powered by the upcoming M5 Max chip. And this revelation comes not from marketing rumors or analyst guesses, but from leaked internal kernel debug kit files used by Apple engineers themselves, making this one of the most compelling pieces of evidence yet that Apple has not abandoned the idea of an iMac Pro, because these kernel debug kits are specifically designed to help engineers debug macOS on unreleased hardware, and they often enumerate internal device identifiers, platform names, and chip code names long before products ever reach the public. And according to the leaked data, an iMac with the identifier J833C is listed running on platform H17C, which is associated with the codename Sotra-C, a name widely believed to map directly to the M5 Max chip, strongly suggesting that an iMac with M5 Max is currently in active internal testing. And while it is true that these debug kits sometimes include experimental devices that never ship, such as iPad minis running tvOS or MacBooks equipped with iPhone-class chips like the A15, the broader context makes this particular entry far more convincing, because the M5 Max chip itself is expected to debut next year. And for years, Apple insiders like Bloomberg's Mark Gurman and respected analyst Ming-Chi Kuo have consistently stated that Apple continues to work on a larger, professional-grade iMac aimed at power users, even after discontinuing the Intel-based iMac Pro and shifting professionals toward the Mac Studio. And the idea of pairing a future iMac Pro with an M5 Max chip makes strategic sense, because by the time M5 arrives, Apple Silicon will be mature enough to deliver extreme performance within the thermal constraints of an all-in-one design, potentially allowing Apple to combine workstation-class power with the simplicity and elegance that made the original iMac Pro so appealing. And this leap becomes even more interesting when viewed alongside the rest of the hardware roadmap hidden in the same kernel debug kit files, because Apple's future Mac lineup appears to be expanding aggressively, with references to 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro models powered by M5 Pro and M5 Max chips, a 14-inch MacBook Pro running a base M6 chip, and even more powerful 14 and 16-inch MacBook Pro variants equipped with M6 Pro and M6 Max processors, indicating that Apple is already planning multiple generations ahead, not just iterating year to year. And beyond laptops, the leak also reveals new Mac Mini models with M5 and M5 Pro chips, refreshed Mac Studio machines featuring M5 Max and M5 Ultra chips for the highest end users, and updated 13 and 15-inch MacBook Air models running the standard M5 chip, painting a picture of a very aggressive Apple Silicon rollout designed to cover every segment from entry-level to ultra-professional. And perhaps the most intriguing detail outside the iMac Pro itself is the mention of a MacBook powered by the A18 Pro chip, which many observers believe could represent an all-new, low-cost MacBook designed to attract students and casual users in emerging markets, further showing how Apple is diversifying its Mac lineup while simultaneously pushing performance ceiling higher at the top. And when you connect all these dots, the idea of an M5 Max iMac Pro no longer feels like a one-off experiment, but rather a deliberate piece of a much larger strategy, because Apple appears to be rebuilding its desktop lineup into clearly defined tiers, with the standard iMac remaining focused on mainstream users, the Mac Studio serving modular professionals, and a future iMac Pro potentially reclaiming its place as the ultimate all-in-one for creators who want power without complexity. And from a design and engineering perspective, such a machine would likely feature a significantly larger display, enhanced cooling, more Thunderbolt ports, higher memory ceilings, and GPU performance tailored for tasks like 3D rendering, machine learning, video production, and software development. And while Apple has not officially confirmed any of this, the credibility of kernel debug kit leaks cannot be overstated, because historically they have accurately foreshadowed products that eventually launch, sometimes years later, making this less about if Apple is working on an iMac Pro and more about when Apple decides the timing is right. And that timing will depend on factors like display technology readiness, Apple silicon, efficiency gains, and whether Apple believes there is enough demand to justify a premium all-in-one once again. And for users watching closely, the most important takeaway is that Apple's professional desktop story is far from finished, because the presence of an M5 Max iMac in internal testing suggests Apple is still experimenting, refining, and preparing for a potential comeback of a machine many thought was gone forever. And if this product does launch, it could represent the most powerful iMac ever made, finally delivering on the promise of Apple silicon at the highest professional level. And for anyone following Apple leaks, iMac Pro rumors, or the future of Mac hardware, this is one of the most exciting developments in years. And for continued deep analysis, credible leaks, and clear explanations without hype, stay connected with TechVerse. If you need maximum performance today, the Mac Studio remains the safest choice. But if you value an all-in-one design and can wait, the rumored M5 Max iMac Pro could be Apple's most exciting professional desktop in years.